Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that would be sick.
Oh, look at this!
What?
Oh, that's so cool!
Hey, how's it going? It's 5 AM and last year when I first met Hayden, we went to this photography spot. It's called Lake Mountain. Is it Lake Mountain?
Yeah.
Lake Mountain. Today we're actually going back to that spot. This time we've got a few creative ideas that we want to do. We don't actually know how much snow is going to be there because there's been a lot of rain and all that sort of stuff, and I don't really go up to the snow, so I don't know whether that's going to affect it or not. Plus, Mike doesn't have any snow chains for his car, so... Hello, mate. How you feeling? Did you sleep well?
I slept like 12, so I got like 4.5 hours of sleep or something. Oh, by the way, I brought Oreos.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Did you bring any cups of milk?
Oh, nah, sorry.
Jokes at 5 AM.
This shit is me.
Here he is,
Yeah,
finally. I knew you'd be late.
Why?
Because every other time we try and make plans, you just end up being late.
Dude, it feels like it's the day when we first met.
I know, that's what I was saying before. It's weird, but it's
So we
good.
got up early in the morning to do pretty much the exact same thing.
Is this the only time you've gotten up early for a photo shoot?
Yeah, actually it is.
Definitely more snow here.
Last time right here, there was snow. Like a lot of snow. This is when we were reacting like crazy. And there's only so
there
far.
was.
Oh, damn. Do you reckon there's just no snow?
Well, I mean, we are in the first week of winter. We probably should have waited.
I thought you said there was like
Yeah, I
heaps
thought
on
you
the
said it was
snow cast.
dumping, mate.
What did you
did.
say about the snow cast?
It said there was 10 centimeters on the
Yeah.
resort.
Dude, there's actually nothing.
There's only snow on the sides of the road. Oh my god. The skids! That's the car park.
See nothing this time.
Last time we shot here, this is the exact road where we did that flare shot, like literally right behind me. And as you can see, there's just, yeah, there's not enough snow. It's not the end of the world because we can still get, you know, the yellow lines on the road. We can still probably get a cool shot here. It's just not exactly what I wanted. The idea that I had was to get some maybe paint powder, because I know Hayden brought some, and then have someone stand in the middle of the road and then sort of throw that up, and that would contrast well with the white of the snow, but because there's no snow, probably won't be able to do that shot. Alright, so we can't obviously do the snow shot, so we're definitely doing the paint powder shot as well. Does this
Send it.
stuff stain your clothes or not?
Yes, it definitely does. Yes.
Because we have a poncho, does that cover the whole...
Dude,
Like
I
your
don't
whole
know.
body?
I'm more
Like,
worried
it's
about how
fine.
bad I'm gonna look in the photo.
First shot is going to be the balloon one, so we're going to have to blow up some balloons. I haven't done this in ages. Oh, didn't really use that. We don't have helium in these balloons, so they're not going to be, they're just going to be falling down obviously, so.
Dude, I feel like
This
just
is
because
not gonna work.
it's not like there's no snow.
We actually like, we had such high hopes for this. Like we really
No,
thought.
dude, it's going to be good. Like, who cares? Doesn't matter. Yeah?
So on second thought, there's heaps of other ideas we can do. It's paint powder. So one idea that I'm thinking is hand shot. So like someone has paint powder in their hands and we get like a close-up shot with that. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's do it.
That is so much. Oh, that actually looks sick.
How is it?
Yes.
Oh, what? It looks like a flare almost. Oh, that would be sick.
Yes.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Oh, dude.
Alright, the starter wasn't really having much hope, but I was kind of feeling a bit depressed about this photo because I didn't think we'd get any good shots today, but I feel good now. Like,
I think that the reason why everyone was angry is because everyone's hungry. Everyone
think-
wants to have a pie.
I think it's a mixture of we all woke up early,
Yeah.
we're all tired, we haven't eaten, we didn't get any good shots. It's not snowing,
Everything's
so
just
many
gone
things.
to shit.
but you know,
You just gotta have a good attitude.
This is such
Literally.
a great turn of events,
Yeah.
honestly.
This is going to be ridiculous. I love paint powder photography.
So today's shoot was it was a little bit different from what we expected. Obviously, in the start, we wanted to go back to the location where there was snow, and we expected there to be snow, but there just wasn't, and that's all right. I actually learnt a valuable lesson today, and I'm sort of glad that there wasn't snow because sometimes on a shoot, there's not always going to be, and without getting too philosophical, perseverance is so important, especially when you're a creative, because there's going to be times when you're out on a shoot and you just feel like, you know, there's no more options. We were there was no snow, it was windy, so the paint powder was going to go everywhere, and we didn't want to do the original shot with the umbrella because we just thought the paint powder would blow everywhere. And we're all sort of not feeling it. We just weren't in that sort of creative flow. I personally was so close to just being like, yeah, look, I'm happy to just head home. Like, even though we traveled all this way, like, I just wasn't feeling it. But then Hayden, because he's got such a good mentality, he pumped us all up. He's like, nah, that's all right, doesn't matter. We're going to push through. We're just going to be creative. And he just picked up some paint powder, put it in his hands and just slapped it together. And Mike took this photo here and look at it, like, it's amazing. So originally me and Mike had the idea of doing the umbrella with the paint powder, which obviously didn't work because it was too windy. So we're like, all right, whatever. So then we tried some more photos where we slapped the paint powder together, and that gave it sort of that bursting particle effect, which looked really cool. And then I was thinking, I'm like, how can I make this different? What can I add to this? Because I was starting to get a bit more creative, a bit more in the creative flow. So then I was like, well, we're surrounded by little parts of snow, so why don't we add that into it? So Hayden got one handful of snow, one handful of paint powder, slapped it together, and then we got this shot here. I was really happy with it because you can see so many particles, and in photography, capturing those particles is really eye-catching, you know, just seeing those particles flying out everywhere. If there's anything that I learned from today, it's just perseverance. Always just push through that creative block. If you want to go and check out all my photos, head over to Instagram at 7th Hero. That's where I post all my content. And if you did like today's video, you know what to do. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.